Hi, welcome to VietSub Crochet channel where I could guide you on how to crochet. Well, if you are new to crochet or if you are going to learn crochet and you have no idea like what tools you need to get started, then let me help you. There are really basically 5 crochet supplies or tools for a new crocheter. First is a hook, then yarns, next scissors, then needles for the yarns. Lastly is a stuffing cotton. To prepare these all crochet items, then from my personal experience, here's my suggestions for you. At first, it's about the yarns. So I suggest you to try yarns that have bright color. The yarn strength size should stay around 2 mm and the price should be cheap. But let's just get enough materials for practicing first. You totally can invest in high quality yarns later once you could crochet confidently. For me, when I start, I tried milk cotton yarn 50 grams and the price was about 0.5 USD. Secondly is buying a crochet kit or buying a crochet set that have almost full of crochet items. Again, pick one that is in cheap price because you may not know how long you will stick to the crochet, so it's not necessary to spend too much. Here are examples for 2 crochet kits in Vietnam and US market. Although the prices are not expensive, you still can practice doing crochets on these items very well. As mentioned above, it saves money, especially when you are new and you are not sure how long you would enjoy the crochet. Believe me, you will start to discover and change the hooks and the yarn style that comfort you and the wallet the most. Well, the last thing to talk about is how to choose the hook size and yarn size correctly. There are no specific rules for the hook and yarn size choosing, since each person has different crochet style, but you can take this measurement table as a nice reference. When you practice, try to keep changing the hook size for the same yarns until you get comfortable to work on. Well, that's everything I would share with you. I hope it's helpful enough in some ways. See you again in other tutorial clips.